So first thing first, what's really exciting is this is the first time we've done a custom event in our new facility, right? So it's not just any facility, it's our regional headquarters here in Denton, Texas. And we're really excited that so many of our clients were able to make it here.
We've been in the US market for quite some time now, but this is setting the stone in the market, opening this new facility, also the training here, so we don't have to send the technicians, US technicians, to Latvia for training. We can use them here also for testing purposes, so I think this is great for the company and for the industry as well.
Day's going good, very informative. It's good to see some new technology. Came out here today to get a better idea of the new LEP application system, as well as, have a look at the other technology offerings. It's always a good event to be able to kind of come together with other colleagues in the industry, kind of see the issues that they're running into, and maybe even collaborate a little bit.
So we're building powerful tools. So they're built for speed, so to execute the job much, much faster.
There's some pretty interesting discussions today around some of the UV cure epoxies and stuff that they're using.
The UV curable material would be applied like a filler. It would just reinforce those spots with this material, and you can see how actually rugged, how strong it is.
There have been multiple modules of keynote speakers talking about all the services that Aerones provides. Some highlights really for me were seeing the filler in action and the grinding of the blade in action.
So actually the operator can, of course it can position it, but he can also change the pressure amount that's being put there.
I think it's just going to take off from here as technology just advances. Aerones is going to be a big partner in that, and ensuring the aging fleet stays relevant and keeps spinning.
In the next 5 years, there's going to be 630,000 people that are needed in this industry. So of course, that's why there's this great interest in robotic solutions. And I'm glad to share that we're there. We're providing this fantastic solution that can repair a Category 3 erosion on the blade and can finish the turbine in 2 days. That is phenomenal, right? We couldn't even dream of that kind of speed just a couple years ago.
I have been with Aerones for 5 years, more than that, and actually yesterday when we had a walkthrough of the facility and what has been built here and where we are, it brought kind of a tear of joy to me, seriously. So I'm just super happy about everything that has happened and where we have come, and it's just a really massive and fast ramp up, and to see that in person, live, and to understand that this is really happening, that's just a big moment for me personally.
We are proving to the industry more and more that robotic approach and smart decisions based on smart inspections gives value to the industry, and also the robotic approach for the repairs is also possible, so that the quality is actually very high and the speed and efficiency is so good that there is no point of turning back. So this is the future.
So we will have crawler racing event, and let's have fun.
It was super exciting to have this demo here in United States, talking to the clients and showing what we're doing. So yeah, I think it's a nice tradition possibly that we started here.
So I think that we need to make these kind of events to showcase all the developments which we've built, and the developments are becoming only more and more, not only on the robotics side, but also on our software side. So I think, yeah, we definitely are going to continue to do these events.